How to turn your biggest critics into your greatest supporters. History is filled with great leaders and influential characters. Some of these figures might have been quite controversial in terms of what they actually believed or accomplished, but that doesn't mean that we can't take some lessons from the way they motivated their followers or dealt with dissidents. In this case, we're going to be looking at the case of Mussolini, the Italian dictator who can teach modern leaders a few things about how to deal with rebels and naysayers in their ranks. Listen and learn. Trasformismo. Mussolini was a political theorist and had predefined methods for dealing with a range of different situations that would arise as he led. One such strategy was called trasformismo. Here, he would take the loudest critics in his party and then get them on his side by giving them jobs of great importance. This goes against our natural instincts, but it is a much more effective way of neutralizing a threat than the alternative. Often, when someone is vocally critical of our leadership style, our initial impulse might be to cut them off and isolate them, remove them from others whose opinion they might sway, punish them, make an example of them. But all this does is to make them more bitter, more angry, and more motivated. Worse, it can make a martyr out of them and turn you into the bad guy. It's only a matter of time before they gather their resources and try to stage a coup. On the other hand, promoting your critics and giving them an important role within your organization will flatter them and demonstrate to them that you value their opinion. And you should. Opinions that disagree with your own are far more valuable than having more yes men. What's more is that this person will often quickly learn the burden of leadership and realize why things aren't quite so easy. They will probably soften to your position and at least better understand your motivations. More than anything else, they will simply be too busy at this point to become dangerous. That, and you'll be able to keep a close eye on them. As they say, keep your friends close and enemies closer. Next time someone in your ranks starts to kick up a stink, consider offering them a raise instead of trying to shut them down as quickly as you can. You may just create a powerful ally.